Hello guys, now this is part 3. I want to upload my Epub that I have made in Calibri in video number 2 or part 2. Now this is part 3. Now this is my my dashboard in Lulu, and this, as you can see, all my ebooks that I have done, and they are successfully published in retailers. So what you should do now, I want to publish another book. So you say ebook, you click that. Now it says to you, what is the title? The title is How to Fish? Question mark. If it is correct, it will tick with green. Okay? Now, if it ticks green, it means that the punctuation, that the capital letter and the thing is good. Now, if you have something here, it says to you that the title is not capitalized good. It means you have done a mistake. So this it's very easy. You go to Lulu and you see capitalization of title. It will show you. It's very easy. Now this is my name. Let's put my name as it is. Oh, okay. Let's take this name. We say Karim, and last name. We try to use the name that we have used here. Okay. So you put it. And put capital letter. Now, the title is good. The author is good. First name and last name. Now, what do you want to do with this project? Sell this book recommended for distribution requirements. It means if you are selling this book in retailers like Amazon, like iBooks, like Barnes and Nobles, if you want that, you should click this. But make available only to me. You can change this later if you decide to sell. It means if you are not selling, you are just putting this into your as an ebook, and then later you can publish. You can make a book with paper. It doesn't matter. So we leave this because we are selling in other retailers. So it says save and continue. Now it says here the first option, get an ISBN. This is the ISBN that I am talking about. Get a free ISBN from Lulu. If you are going to sell, add an ISBN you already own. Here it says how do I purchase my own ISBN. If you want to buy, but it's not advised. Why you should buy when it is free? Okay. Do not add an ISBN because this choose this option to publish your ebook without an ISBN. If you select this option, your book will not be distributed to retail channels. Understand that if you click this, it means your book will not be published to retailers. And we want our ebook published to retailers. So we should use this one. Now, after you save and continue, it will give you an ISBN. You click that. Now, this is the ISBN that I am talking about that you should take here before you upload your file. Okay? Or before you do the Epub. Before you do the Epub, you should take this, you copy it, and go to your Word and put the number. Okay? So, your number is this ISBN that you should put, but before converting it to Calibri. So, this should be before you do Calibri converting to Epub. Okay, so understand that this is the first step. And when you go to Lulu, it doesn't mean that you should continue the process. No, you just get the ISBN and then you can continue to your work. So let's go back. Since they give us an ISBN, so this is an ISBN that it is allocated to this. This is my email where they tell me that this ISBN is assigned for my ebook. Now here, save and continue. Here it asks you should have a Word or docx or RTF or ODT or Epub. Now we have made an Epub, so we are going to make an Epub. We click that. Now let's see, where we find the Epub. Very quick, I will show you where we put the Epub. Okay, here is Calibri library. Click that. Here is my the thing that we have seen, where we put our Epub. Click that. Here is the folder. Click that. How to fish. Here is the Epub file, 106 kilobyte. Open and upload. So when you upload, you just wait and we see if our Epub is good or no. If it is not good, it means there is a problem with the Epub or Word document. If it says good, it means it is good. So we should just wait. It could take some time, depending on the upload speed. Okay, your file has been added to your ebook successfully. Okay, Lulu has updated your ebook document to include the ISBN of your project. Now this is your file, it's all okay. Now we try to see the most important thing. Is our file Epub, is it converted good or no by Lulu? So you should save and continue. So we are waiting until the process begins. Okay, you are almost there. You now have an Epub, but first just make sure the table of content of the file is correct. Table of contents, how to fish, heading 1, copyright heading 1, introduction heading 1, chapter 1 which is heading 2, chapter 2 heading 2, conclusion heading 1, contact heading 1. It is the same as you can see here. It's the same thing. Now what does it mean? It means we have done a successful converting, and I told you if you follow my guideline, you will be accepted in Lulu. Now let's go back. Now here, as you can see, save and continue. Now, here you should upload your image or your cover of the ebook. This is a very important thing. Okay? It's a very important thing. So, what you should do, go here to background and pictures, click that. Click edit picture. Use a different file because this file that gives us from Lulu is not good. Click use different file. Upload the file. Choose file. Okay? Now I want to use the cover that we used before. So let's go to the cover that we put before. Here is the cover. Open. And then upload. It will upload the picture, the cover of the ebook. So you should just wait until this is done. It can take some time. And you should say accept. Leave this as it is. Stretch to fit and use this image. Yes, accept. Okay? Now, you should see here our picture. How to trade fish. It means how to fish. Excuse me for this. I have spoken about this. It's a mistake in writing the title. Kareem, this is my name, but you see that my name is doubled. It will not be accepted if it is doubled. Now there is a problem. So what you should do, you go to text. You should take the title and you should take the author like this. Now, why is that? Is that because I have made the cover with the title and with my name. So I shouldn't use the information that it is in the Epub again. It means it will be doubled. So make sure you understand this. Don't go before you antic this thing. Show offer, it should be like this. Show title, it should be like this. And your cover is good now. So you go now here and you say make image. It means you accept this image. And you just wait. And then you say save and continue. Now, here you get another picture. Describe your project. Select a category. Category is just your ebook does speak about what? Computer, cooking. So here we say fishing. I don't know where to put fishing. Let's find sport and adventure, history, games, fiction, entertainment, engineering, education, diet and health, cooking, computer, Christianity, children, business, biographies, memories. So I should put it, for example, in sport and adventure because I'm speaking about fishing, maybe like this. So you should choose the category that it is, because here it says required. Now what does it mean required? It means you must put it. If you leave it, it will make you go back again. Second thing, explicit content. Now this project contains explicit content, adult nature, of an adult nature. It is intended for a mature audience. Understand that if you are speaking about adult things like sex, like speaking about something for adults, you should click that here. It's very, very important, because if you don't do and they find that your ebook is about sex, okay, they may reject it. So, and check this. Now the keywords is just, as I told you, for example, how to, fish. These are my 2 words, comma. Use always comma because each word or 2 words or sentence should have a comma after it in order to accept it. Now description, you just describe. Okay. Describe your ebook, and here it says it's okay because you have described your ebook. The language that I'm using is English. Your name, okay, your name, we should go back and put our name that we have put before. Try to always use capital letter for name. Don't forget it. Okay, so capital letter here with G. Now, please select a license type. Always do. I don't know about all the others. For me, it is a standard copyright license. So if you want to put something else, you should contact Lulu customer service and they will explain to you what does it mean. For me, I don't understand anything about what they say, but I always standard copyright license. Okay? So here, you can click that. How do I choose a license? To find out more about the right license, select for your content, check out this help page. So go to help page and see what's this thing. But for me, it's always standard copyright license. Now, edition, it means, is this book second book or third book in the same title? For example, you have made this ebook. You published this ebook 2 years ago, but you want to add something, you want to delete something, you can do it again and put second edition, third edition. But this is first edition, it means the first book. Okay? Now, save and continue. So you should wait. Just now, here it says choose your location. It means where you are. Are you in the United States of America or are you in some other place? So I am in the USA, so I leave it as it is. Set your price. Now, Lulu doesn't tell you how much you choose. You choose wherever you want. $8, $9, $1, $100, $500. It's your problem. You put just the number. The minimum list price is 0.99 or free. It means if you put 00, it means it should be free. Now, select your distribution channel. Where do you want that ebook in the retailers? Now, first is Lulu. It's ticked. Since you put, for example, $8.99, you get $7.20. This just shows you when you sell an ebook about $8.90, what do you get? Your revenue per sale. You get $7.20, which is the best because it takes only 10%. Okay? Now, you go to Apple iBookstore, it gives you $5.66. It gives Barnes & Noble's Nook $4. Now, it says to you, have you published this ebook in Amazon Kindle? Okay? You click that. If you don't, it says to you, is this ebook currently published or available on purchase on Amazon.com or Kindle bookstore? You say no, because I didn't. But understand that you should not play with this. If you have already published it in Amazon or in Nook or in iBooks or in Kobo and you said no, it will be a problem. So please make sure you understand this. Now, when you finish, leave it all ticked because you need your ebook in all the retailers. We have Kobo, we have Amazon, we have Barnes & Noble's Nook, we have iBooks, we have Lulu. So it's a lot of retailers. What you should do, you have finished. But listen, you say to me, this Amazon Kindle, it only gives me $3.46. Where is my dollars? Why they give me only $3.64? Okay? So this is accepted or not. If you don't want it, if you don't want to sell your ebook with $3.46, you can untick this. And you have Lulu will not send your ebook to Amazon Kindle. But I don't suggest that. You want to make money. So click that. Everything. Leave it, everything. Because you can't change it. The only thing you change it, let's say you put your ebook is so important. You give so important information to the public. Okay? And your ebook is $100. So you put $100. In Lulu, they give $8.89 here, $62, $45, $38 here, $40 here. if you don't accept that. Now, because whatever you put, it is there. Now, in the future, after 6 months, let's say after 6 months, you don't sell any book. You don't sell because it's 100. No one will buy ebook with 100. Now, you can go to the ebook again, do a revision, and change the price. Okay? It's very easy. Now, let's it's 100, okay? You accept that. You say review project. Now here, it just give you Lulu ebook distribution agreement. Please, that we have agreement. If you have been doing with Lulu a long time ago, you should understand this. So what I suggest, read all this, and then when you have read and accepted, you put I have read the terms and conditions. It's long, but you should do it. I don't know. You should read. If you accept, you do it. If you don't accept, you don't use Lulu. And understand, here it says, congratulations, your ebook will soon be available for purchase on the following retail sites: Lulu Bookstore, Apple iBook Store, Barnes & Noble's Nook, Amazon Kindle, Kobo, and everything else. It means that Lulu will not just send to these retailers, but it will sell to others. Okay? Now, you finish, you say continue. So you should just wait. Okay, here is a snapshot. It means all about your ebook. Okay? And you accept that. It's all the information. And you give the ISBN, the title, the category, everything, the ID of this ebook. Now here, what does it mean? It means you have finished everything. Now you click save and finish. And voila, you have published an ebook to Lulu, and then you should wait for a few days or few weeks until it is accepted by the retailers. So you go back to project, and you will find that your ebook has been published to Lulu, and now it is sent to the retailers. Okay? So hope this, the third part, we have finished, and that's it, what you should do. If you have more questions, please ask. Thank you very much.